Well, it's been 5 years. Can't hold back my tears because I'm just so happy. I'm burying an angel today. Oh, oh, as I take your hand, I pledge to be your woman. I vow to love, to hold, to cherish, and never disrespect the love we share. I'll be honest, boy, I cannot lie. There'll be real good days, there'll be some bad times, but I'll be standing right beside you, my sweet baby, with the love of mine. Oh, oh, as I take this ring, babe, and I place it on your sweet and lovely hand. We will show our kids, and they will tell their kids what mom and dad